Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to all our wonderful listeners around the world. Welcome back to the Talklish Podcast. I'm your host, Teacher Mark.
And hello, everyone. I am Elena. We are absolutely delighted to have you here with us today.
Today is not just a normal episode, Elena. Today is a masterclass.
That is right. Usually our lessons are 5 or 10 minutes long, but today we are going to slow down. We are going to take our time. We want to help you master the English language completely.
Specifically, we're talking about the morning routine. Now, you might think, Mark, I know the word breakfast. I know the word shower.
But do you know how to describe the kind of eggs you eat? Do you know the difference between a light sleeper and a heavy sleeper? Do you know how to talk about scrolling on your phone in bed?
That's what we're doing today. We're going deep. We'll reach 3,000 words of practice today, so this is perfect for listening to while you commute, while you clean the house, or while you go for a long walk.
Are you ready to start the day, Mark?
I am ready. Let's imagine it's 6 a.m., it's dark outside, and suddenly, noise.
I hate that sound.
That is the sound of the alarm clock. Let's start with sleep habits. Elena, are you a heavy sleeper or a light sleeper?
That's a great question. Let's explain the difference. A heavy sleeper is a person who sleeps very deeply. Loud noises do not wake them up. You can have a party in their room and they will keep sleeping.
Exactly. And a light sleeper is the opposite. A light sleeper wakes up very easily. If a cat walks in the room, they wake up. If the wind blows, they wake up.
I am definitely a light sleeper. I hear everything. What about you, Mark?
I'm a heavy sleeper. I sleep like a rock.
Sleep like a rock. That's a great idiom. It means to sleep very, very deeply.
So because I'm a heavy sleeper, I need a loud alarm. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m.
Listen to the phrasal verb, go off. We do not usually say the alarm starts. We say the alarm went off. My alarm went off at 6. Did your alarm go off?
When the alarm goes off, we have the famous button, the snooze button.
To snooze, S-N-O-O-Z-E. This means to delay the alarm. You hit the button, the noise stops, and you sleep for 9 more minutes. Then beep, beep, it goes off again.
I'm the king of snooze. I usually hit snooze 3 times. I admit it, I'm lazy in the morning.
I never snooze. I think it makes you more tired. If you snooze, you feel groggy.
Groggy. G-R-O-G-G-Y. This is an adjective. It describes the feeling when you are half awake and half asleep. Your brain is slow. Your body is heavy. You are groggy.
So, to stop feeling groggy, you need to wake up.
Okay, so your eyes are open. You're awake. Do you jump out of bed immediately?
No, absolutely not. I stay under the covers.
The covers, or the sheets, these are the blankets on your bed. It's warm under the covers. It's cold outside the covers.
So I stay in bed and I reach for my phone.
Ah, the bad habit. We all do it. We check our phones. What do you do on your phone, Elena?
I scroll. S-C-R-O-L-L. To scroll means to move your finger up the screen to see more pictures or text. I scroll through Instagram. I scroll through Facebook. I scroll through the news.
I usually check my notifications. I check my emails and my WhatsApp messages.
Then I check the weather forecast. This is very important. I need to know, is it going to rain? Is it sunny? Is it cold? This helps me decide what to wear later.
After about 15 minutes of scrolling, I finally sit up. I stretch.
To stretch, this is when you extend your arms and legs to wake up your muscles. You might make a noise like, ah.
I stretch my arms, I stretch my back, and then I get up.
Let's review the grammar rule from earlier episodes because it is vital. Wake up versus dead up. Mark, please give us the definition one more time.
Wake up is mental. Your brain is on. Your eyes are open. Get up is physical. You are out of the bed.
Practice drill. Repeat after me. I woke up at 7, but I got up at 7:30. Pause for repetition. Don't snooze. Get up immediately. Pause for repetition.
Okay, we are standing on the floor. I put on my slippers. Slippers are soft shoes you wear inside the house.
And I put on my robe, or bathrobe. This is like a thick coat made of towel material.
We walk to the bathroom. Now, let's go into detail here. There are many small objects in the bathroom.
First, we go to the sink, or basin. I turn on the tap. Americans say faucet, British say tap.
Do you use cold water or hot water?
I use lukewarm water. Lukewarm means it is not hot and not cold. It is in the middle. It is gentle for your skin.
I splash water on my face. Then I use face wash or cleanser. I do not use hand soap on my face. It dries the skin.
Next, oral hygiene, cleaning the mouth. We have the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Mark, do you use an electric toothbrush or a manual one?
I use an electric toothbrush. It buzzes. Zzz. It cleans better, I think.
I use a manual one. After I brush, I spit into the sink. Then I rinse my mouth with water. To rinse means to wash with water to remove soap or toothpaste.
Do you floss?
Floss, F-L-O-S-S. This is the thin string you put between your teeth. My dentist says I must floss every day. I floss my teeth.
And finally, mouthwash, the liquid that tastes like mint. You swish it around your mouth and spit it out.
Now, the shower. I step into the shower. I pull the shower curtain closed.
I turn on the water. I have to wait for the water to warm up. In the shower, I wash my hair with shampoo. I wash my body with soap or shower gel.
Do you use conditioner?
No, my hair is short. I don't need it.
I have long hair. After shampoo, I must use conditioner. It makes my hair soft and easy to brush.
I also use a face cloth or washcloth to scrub my back.
When we are finished, we turn off the water. We step out onto the bath mat. This is the rug on the floor so you don't slip.
And we dry off with a big fluffy towel.
There is one more thing for men, usually, shaving. Mark, describe your shaving routine.
Sure. I look in the mirror. I have stubble. Stubble is very short hair on the face. I apply shaving cream or shaving foam. It looks like white whipped cream. Then I take my razor. R-A-Z-O-R. I scrape the razor down my face to remove the hair. Then I rinse my face. Finally, I put on aftershave. It smells nice, but sometimes it stings. Ouch.
Okay, that is a very detailed bathroom routine. Let's do a vocabulary speed round. I say the definition, you say the word. Ready?
Ready.
The liquid you use to clean your hair.
Shampoo.
The string you use to clean between your teeth.
Floss.
The object you use to cut your beard.
Razor.
The soft shoes you wear inside the house.
Slippers.
The movement you use on your phone to move the screen.
To scroll. How did you do, listeners? Did you get them all right? We have just finished showering. We are clean, but we are not ready yet.
No, we are still wearing a towel. We need to finish our grooming. Grooming is the noun for making yourself look neat and tidy.
First, I put on deodorant. This is very important. You put it under your arms so you smell good all day.
Yes, please do not forget deodorant. Then I put on body lotion or moisturizer. This keeps the skin soft.
Now, let's talk about hair again. My hair is wet. I use a towel to dry it. I rub my hair with a towel.
My hair is long, so a towel is not enough. I use a hairdryer or blow dryer. This is a machine that blows hot air. Whoosh! I blow dry my hair until it is completely dry.
Do you use any product in your hair?
Sometimes I use hairspray to keep it in place. What about you, Mark?
I use gel or pomade. It is a sticky goo. I put a little bit on my fingers and I style my hair. I usually part my hair to the side.
Finally, the smell. Women often wear perfume. You spray it on your neck and wrists. Men often wear cologne.
Cologne. C-O-L-O-G-N-E. The G is silent. It sounds like cologne.
Okay, we smell good, we look good. Now we go to the bedroom to get dressed.
My walk to my closet. In America, we say closet. It is a small room or cupboard for clothes.
In the UK, we usually say wardrobe. I open the wardrobe doors. I have to pick out my clothes.
Pick out is a phrasal verb. It means to choose or select. I pick out a blue shirt. I pick out my favorite jeans.
What is the first thing we put on? It is our underwear.
Included in underwear are socks. I open my sock drawer. I have to find a pair of socks. A pair means two matching items, left and right.
I hate it when I have a hole in my sock. After underwear, we put on our bottoms. Mark, what are you wearing today?
Today is a casual day, so I am wearing jeans. I step into my jeans, I pull them up, and then I zip the zipper. Zip! And I button the button.
If your jeans are too big, what do you need?
I need a belt. I put the belt through the loops and buckle it.
For me, I am going to work, so I wear trousers or pants and a blouse. A blouse is a nice professional shirt for women.
If I go to a business meeting, I wear a suit. A suit is a matching jacket and trousers. And I wear a tie. I have to tie my tie. That is a tongue twister.
Let's talk about shirts. If it has buttons down the front, we call it a button-down shirt. You have to do up the buttons.
Do up means to close. Fasten means to close. Button means to close. You can use any of them. I button my shirt.
What about feet? We are leaving the house soon. I wear heels, high heels, if I want to look fancy, but usually I wear flats, comfortable shoes.
I wear sneakers or tennis shoes if I am walking a lot. In England, you say,
In the UK, we say trainers. If it's raining, I wear boots. And to close my shoes, I have to tie my shoelaces. Loop, swoop, and pull.
Okay, we are fully dressed. Let's do a quick checklist. Underwear? Check. Socks? Check. Pants? Check. Shirt? Check. Shoes? Check.
Wait, it is cold outside. You need an outer layer.
You are right. I grab my jacket or my coat. If it is very cold, I put on a scarf around my neck and gloves on my hands.
Now we are ready. Let's go to the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen, my favorite room. The first thing I do is turn on the lights. Then I go to the refrigerator.
That is a long word. We usually just say the fridge. Mark, what is inside your fridge?
There is milk, eggs, butter, orange juice, and leftover pizza.
Leftover pizza for breakfast? No, thank you. I go to the kettle. This is very British. The kettle is the machine that boils water for tea. I fill the kettle with water and press the switch. Click.
I go to the coffee maker. I put in a filter. I put in the ground coffee. I add water, and I press start. I love the smell of fresh coffee brewing. The verb is to brew, B-R-E-W.
While the coffee brews and the water boils, we prepare the food. We need some tools. We need a bowl for cereal. We need a plate for toast. We need a mug for coffee, not a cup, usually a big mug. And we need cutlery.
Cutlery means the metal tools. Spoon for cereal, fork for eggs, knife for butter.
Let's make some toast. I take 2 slices of bread. I put them in the toaster. I push the lever down. Now we wait.
While we wait, let's make the eggs. I put a frying pan on the stove. I turn on the burner. I put a little butter in the pan. Sss.
How do you crack the eggs?
I take the egg. I tap it on the side of the pan. Crack. I open the shell and drop the egg in. I fry it for 3 minutes. This is a fried egg. If I want the yellow part, the yolk, to be liquid, it is sunny side up.
Pop! Oh, the toaster popped up. My toast is ready. It is hot and brown. I take a knife. I spread the butter. To spread means to move the knife back and forth. Then I spread the strawberry jam.
My eggs are ready. I slide them onto my plate. I add salt and pepper.
Now for the drinks. My kettle has boiled. I put a tea bag in my mug. I pour the hot water in. I let it steep. To steep means to wait for the tea to turn dark, usually 3 minutes.
My coffee is done. I pour it into my mug. Do you take sugar? Do you take milk?
I take a splash of milk and 1 sugar. I stir it with a spoon. Clink, clink, clink.
Let's do a role play. We are sitting at the kitchen table. We are eating. Role play start.
This toast is delicious. Can you pass the butter, please?
Here you go.
Thanks. How are your eggs?
They're good. A little salty. I put too much salt on them.
Do we have any orange juice?
Let me check the fridge. Yes, we have a carton of juice. Here is a glass.
Thank you. So, what is your plan for the day?
Well, I have to go to work at 8:30. I have a meeting at 10. What about you?
I have to run some errands. I need to go to the bank and the supermarket.
Sounds busy. Better finish your tea quickly. Role play end. That is a very natural conversation. Can you pass the... Here you go. What is your plan for the day?
One thing we also do at breakfast, we take our vitamins. I take a multivitamin pill with my water.
And we clean up. We put the dirty dishes in the sink or in the dishwasher. Do not leave dirty dishes on the table.
Okay, our stomachs are full. We are dressed. Now we need to grab our things and leave.